Ask yourself, which one is the shaded region? What I see is this. I see this. I also see this. I also see this. Right?
Yeah.
Plus, let me use a different color. I see this.
Yes.
I see this.
Yes, and then
And I see this. And if I'm not wrong, or I think it's the same. So basically, if you can find out this thing, you just need times 2. Then you get both of them. Does it make sense?
Yes.
It's a mirror image, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now I need to focus on just the first one. Does it make sense?
Yes.
How do I get this part? So let's say I call this part 1. How do you get this part? Can you see that the first part is actually the
It's just semicircle.
what fraction of the semicircle?
Half
Okay,
of the,
by the way, the first part is from the semicircle, you are right. But not everything. But this part, right?
yes.
This part is how much of a circle?
Half.
A circle.
A quarter.
Yes. Okay? So this part is a quarter of the circle, right?
Yeah.
So if the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, right?
Yes.
Then a perimeter of 1 quarter of a circle will be 1 quarter times the 2 pi r lah. Does it make sense? So I just need to ask myself, what is my radius here? This is the radius, right?
Yeah.
So what's the radius here? Or what is the radius here? Right? So what they say? They say xy is 84. The whole thing is 84. Okay? So can you see how many portion is this?
Just a 4.
So you divide by 4, right?
So 21.
So it's 21, right?
Yeah.
Good. So you put 20. So when r is equal to 21, so you just put it in. Okay? Then you will get. Stop. I don't care about the answer. I care about the approach. Then you will get this part, right?
Yeah.
Which is you get your part 1, right? Right? And by the way, can you see that part 2 is the same thing? It's also a quarter of the circle.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yeah.
So that means your part 1 is this answer, just times 2, right? And now, can I ask you, how do you find part 3? How do you find part 3? By the way, if you try to zoom out, if you can, I want to use the eraser, yeah. If you can zoom out, you know part 3 is also 1 quarter of the circle, but which circle you are talking about? Can you see?
Yeah.
Part 3 is also 1 quarter of the circle. What? With radius 21 plus 21, right?
Yeah.
Which is 42, right? Right?
Yes.
So that means part 3 is also a perimeter of 1 quarter of a circle. But this circle, the radius is 42. Just now the circle, the radius is 21. Does it make sense? So use the same formula, is 1 quarter times 2 pi r. And in this case, the r equals to 42, right? Just put it in. Okay? So you just, this one plus this one, you will get the answer for part 1. Okay? Now, the area. How do you get the area then?